Hey guys, how you doing? Michael Noland here with The Bottom Line. I got something in the mail that I've ordered to go on the back wall of my studio, and like the last time and in the future, I want to share that with you. So an unboxing on a rock and roll channel, it'll just take a second. You know, I ordered this about 4 weeks ago, so it's been a little slow in getting here. But if it is what I think it is, oh yeah. All right. We be doing good, mama. Here we go. There she blow. Any second now, guys. Yes. That's the item. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, yeah. All right, I gotta be careful here because there are attached pieces to this one. All right. And there she blow, folks. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that wonderful? All right. Now, this of course, is the Swan Song record artwork. What I liked about this, of course, Led Zeppelin here, but it's got the Zoso and all the other symbols from 4 symbols, or Zoso or Led Zeppelin 4. But on this one, it comes in 2. You can order it just as like what you're seeing here, or you can order it with backlighting. And so that's why this little cord is here. And we'll see what we can do about getting it lit for the studio, or if that even works. But just as a black wall decor, isn't that wonderful? Isn't that wonderful? So there's a quick unboxing for you. I'm Michael Noland, and I'll see you in the next video. I've got one uploading right now, but it's slow. It's a longer one. So anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video.